All right, so you're thinking about upgrading to Shopify Plus. Maybe you've heard about it, but you're not sure if it's worth it. Let's break it all down, the features, the pricing, and whether it actually makes sense for your business right now. Here's how you know you've outgrown regular Shopify. You're hitting API limits, your checkout feels too basic, you're expanding into new countries, or you're pushing past $1 million in annual revenue. If any of that sounds familiar, it might be time. Let's talk numbers. Shopify Plus starts at $2,300 a month on a 3-year term. Sounds like a lot, right? But when you factor in lower transaction fees at just 0.2% and up to 10 expansion stores included, the math works out fast at scale. The checkout is where Shopify Plus really pulls ahead. You get full checkout extensibility with custom fields, trust badges, upsells, and branded design. On regular Shopify, you basically can't touch the checkout at all. It's completely locked, plus comes loaded with enterprise tools out of the box. Shopify Flow for automating your workflows, Launchpad for scheduling flash sales, Audiences for high-intent ad targeting, and up to 10 expansion stores included. These aren't add-ons. They're built right in. If you sell wholesale or B2B, this is a game changer. Shopify Plus gives you custom price lists, net payment terms, quantity rules, and customer-specific catalogs. And the best part, you can run DTC and wholesale from the exact same store. On the technical side, Plus gives you 10 times the API rate limits compared to Advanced. You get exclusive endpoints like multipass for single sign-on. And the platform handles serious scale. Shopify processed $11.5 billion on Black Friday 2024 with zero downtime. You'd be in great company. Gymshark, Allbirds, Pepsi, Red Bull, Steve Madden, Kylie Cosmetics, and GoPro all run on Shopify Plus. Over 47,000 stores trust it for enterprise-level commerce. These aren't small players. Shopify keeps pushing forward. The Winter 2026 edition dropped over 150 updates, including AI-powered store testing, native A/B testing with rollouts, headless commerce through Hydrogen, and uncapped GraphQL access for Plus merchants. The platform just keeps getting better. Ready to make the move to Shopify Plus? Optimum 7 has migrated thousands of stores with zero data loss. As a trusted Shopify Plus partner, we handle everything from data migration to custom development. Visit Optimum7.com and get your free migration analysis today.